Today we're unboxing a Trespass premium raised airbed. So this particular airbed is a single bed. So we're just purchased from Argos today. Let me start unboxing it. Okay, I've just cut open the packaging to make it slightly easier. Straight away I can see like a pouch. So it looks like it comes in a pouch. Nice cover there, very compact really, you see, with handles as well. So good. Open this up. Looks very nice and compact. Again, see what we have here. Instructions. And some repair pads in case we get a puncture in there. Instructions for the electric air pump that comes with it. So it's integrated into the actual airbed itself. Go, look in there. Okay, got a plug. Reasonable length cable. Okay, get that out. We'll roll it out. Just show for a moment. Okay, we take the plug, just stretch it over, plug it in. Okay, that's plugged in now. We've got a double bed of this as a spare guest bed, so I thought it might be useful to buy this. So deflate and inflate, so we just turn it. Noisy, but not a surprise. Let it go to a good firm setting. Okay, that's it. It's not too bad. It's inflated very quickly. Size wise, it is just a single bed, you can tell, so small in size. Sitting down on it at the moment, and the inflation is very good. Feels very solid, to be honest. So there you go. I hope this video has helped if you're looking to choose an inflatable bed. Like I said, we bought the double one and we were impressed with that, so we thought we'd buy the single one as having another option would be useful. So there you go. Very good sort of bed to have as a guest bed or something. So there you go. Thanks for viewing.